What if the company that helped ignite the AI boom just sold its key stake in the biggest chip maker? Why did SoftBank Group dump a $5.83 billion investment in Nvidia Corporation, right when the AI story seemed unstoppable? Could this be a sign that the AI hype is cooling, or is it simply a strategic pivot for what comes next? I'm Osama, and you're watching SoftBank AI. Wherever you are in the world, if you want real insight into tech, stocks, and the future of AI, hit subscribe and stay with me. SoftBank was once a massive backer of Nvidia. It had bought in early, benefited from the AI boom, and rode Nvidia's rise to trillions in valuation. But in October, SoftBank announced it sold 32.1 million shares of Nvidia, its entire remaining stake. The sale raised about $5.83 billion. On the surface, it looks surprising. Why exit when things seem to be going well? According to SoftBank's CFO Yoshimitsu Goto, the sale wasn't about a lack of faith in Nvidia. He stated the move was part of SoftBank's strategy to raise cash so they could invest in bigger bets, especially in OpenAI. SoftBank also sold roughly $9.17 billion in its stake in T-Mobile US Inc. as part of the same strategy. In essence, SoftBank is reallocating capital, shifting from being a big Nvidia holder to being all in on next-gen AI infrastructure and physical AI like robotics, data centers, and chip design. For Nvidia, the sale triggered a small dip in its shares, about a 2% drop. But, the bigger implication may be for the broader AI market. If SoftBank, a savvy tech investor, decides to sell out of Nvidia now, it sparks questions. Has Nvidia's valuation already peaked? Is SoftBank seeing signs of a slowdown? Or is this just a repositioning while Nvidia continues to dominate? SoftBank isn't leaving AI. Far from it. It's consolidating its bets. It plans massive investment into OpenAI and related infrastructure deals. It is investing in robotics and data centers. For example, its acquisition of ABB's robotics unit to build what it calls physical AI. The message is clear. SoftBank believes the next wave of AI will require hardware, software, and systems integration, not just GPU supply. With high ambition comes high risk. Analysts pointed out SoftBank may be overextended, billions committed, large infrastructure bets, and now selling stakes to fund it all. For Nvidia, even if fundamentals remain strong, investors will be watching for any signs of margin pressure, competition, or deceleration. The sale brings into focus: is this the calm before a correction in AI valuations, or simply an opportunistic move? If you're an investor, here's what to watch. Does Nvidia continue to show leadership in GPU and AI chips, or do competitors chip away at its dominance? How does SoftBank's pivot influence the AI invest space? Will capital shift away from Nvidia and into other infrastructure players? Do valuations of AI companies reflect realistic profits ahead, or are we entering a classic hype overhang? One company's stake sale can ripple through the whole tech ecosystem. Could this moment mark the end of Nvidia's unchecked ascendancy? Or could it mark the start of something bigger, where hardware, software, and systems combine to create the real frontier of AI? SoftBank's move suggests that frontier is shifting, and if you want to stay ahead, you must look beyond the chip, into the architecture of the future. SoftBank's $5.83 billion exit from Nvidia is more than a headline, it's a signal. Whether it signals caution, change, or opportunity depends on how we view the AI landscape. I'm Osama, and you've been watching SoftBank AI. If you found this video insightful, hit subscribe, leave your thoughts below, and stay tuned for more deep dives into how tech, money, and power collide. Thanks for watching.